Good morning. Today is Saturday, October the 20th, 2018. It's 9:10 in the morning. We slept in this morning since we didn't have to walk. And Larry cooked some oatmeal for breakfast. I got one more form signed ready to send to Ohio. I'm defrosting my freezer again. What happens, the ice gets built up around the top here. The ice gets built up around the top and the baskets won't move. So I took everything out, put it over here in the refrigerator freezer that's not turned on, and get the ice out and wipe it out and put it back.
What are you doing?
Melting the ice loose and scraping it off. Hair dryer melts it loose a little, and I can come through and scrape it.
How often do you do it?
About twice a year. I do it when I can't move the baskets back and forth.
Thank goodness we got another freezer to put it in, refrigerator to put it in.
Yeah. Getting all that ice knocked down probably took less than 10 minutes. Now I just got to clean it up and dry it out and put it back. I used to pick all that ice up with my hand and put it in the bucket. Then I used my brain and decided to just scoop it up with a spatula. Just as quick and my hand doesn't freeze. I got it all clean and dry, so I'm ready to put the food back in. Everything's all sorted and back in the freezer. So I got it all grouped together. And then these will slide now. All vegetables down there. And some slides. Nice. And I got my little schematic there of what's where in the freezer. So I know where to start looking for things. And there's no meat in here, I found out. Well, there was some chicken, I took it into the kitchen. So now there's no meat. Larry said this planter here in the front flower bed has ants in it, fire ants, so we got to move it out in a hurry. Larry's spraying the ground there for try to kill the fire ants. Larry made rice and kielbasa for supper. And I cooked some green beans I found in the freezer. Larry emptied 2 of the big jars that we got in North Carolina. So I'm going to be able to store some stuff in it. These are, must be half gallon or gallon. They're big jars. Got them all cleaned. I was in here watching a movie and it got dark. I watched about half of it and then slept for about a half hour, then had to wake up and back it up to where I fell asleep. Finally saw all the movie. I'm not the only one having a nap. Larry got a little sleepy too, looks like. And now it's time to say good night. God bless.